Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to organize a photo shoot session in Airtable, the complete 2025 guide. Step 1. Start by creating a new base in Airtable. This will serve as the foundation for your project, where you'll organize everything related to your photo shoot. This step is crucial because an organized base allows you to keep track of all aspects of your photo shoot in one place. Now that we've done that, let's move to step 2, creating the necessary tables. You'll need a few different tables, including models, locations, equipment, and schedule. This helps us because it allows you to categorize different elements of your photo shoot for easy access and reference. Next up, step 3, inputting data into your tables. For instance, in the models table, you might include fields for names, contact information, and appearance details. The reason we do this is to make sure you have all the necessary information at your fingertips when you need it. Step 4 is linking your tables together. For example, you might link a specific model to a particular location and time slot in your schedule table. Let me explain why this matters. Linking data between tables ensures that all elements of your photo shoot are interconnected, helping you maintain a cohesive overview of the project. Our final step, step 5, is to make use of Airtable's calendar and gallery views. This is particularly useful for visualizing your schedule and for previewing portfolio images of your models. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. These views tap into the data in your tables and present them in alternate, more visual formats, enhancing your planning and decision-making process. And there you have it. In just 5 steps, you've learned how to organize a photo shoot session in Airtable. Remember, the key is in keeping everything organized and interconnected for a smooth and successful photo shoot. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.